Welcome to another OnCare Office tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to manage and configure bus runs. Now, first thing we have to do is log in as a company admin or a center director. And you'll be at the main menu here. Now, we want to click on Setup. And then click on Bus Run Setup. Now, as you can see here, this actually lists all the bus runs that I've created earlier. Now, to add a new bus run, we simply click on Add New. And here, we can type in the name of the bus runs. So, for example, I can type in here, bus number 7, and the status is active because I want to be able to use this to assign to the students later on. So here we'll click on Save. And as you can see here, all new entries are added to the bottom. Now, I can always change the order by clicking the arrows up or down. So if I wanted to move the list up, I can just click on the arrows. Now you see, my new bus run is moving up. I can also move it down if I like. Now, if you already have a bus run created, you can also click on the Edit button here. Now, what this allows you to do is to actually change the bus run name, or you can set the status to inactive. This is useful if you have a bus run that's not in service anymore. Now, once you're satisfied with creating all of your bus runs, we actually have to start assigning it to the children. And what we'll do is actually go into the family records here. And then we just have to select the child that we like to associate the bus runs to. So here, I'll go ahead and let's choose the student here. And if you scroll down to the child information page, what we'll see here is the actual bus runs. Now, Ella here is already assigned bus 1 AM and bus 2 AM. Now, if you want to edit that, we just click on Edit. And here, what's going to be listed is all the available bus runs. On the right is the assigned bus runs to this particular student. So if I wanted to change and add a new bus run to the student, I can simply click on the bus run and click on Add, which will then move it to the assigned bus runs for this particular student. Now likewise, I can actually remove a bus run by clicking on one of the bus runs in the assigned bus run column here and click Remove. Now, if you want to add multiple bus runs, which is possible since students can actually be associated with multiple different bus runs in case they take a particular bus run in the morning and a different one in the afternoon. Now, to select multiple bus runs, we can just click on one of the bus runs and then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and simply click another bus run. So as you can see here, it'll highlight multiple bus runs. And again, we just click on Add. So here, the student here will be assigned multiple bus runs. Now, an important thing to remember is that when we add bus runs in here, it is actually not saved to the record yet. What we're doing is actually just temporarily saving it to the child's information. And we do that by clicking Apply. So as you see here, the bus runs that we added to this particular student is already listed here. But to save it, we actually have to scroll down in the child information page and click on Save. Now here the records have been updated successfully. And just to verify, we can actually go back here and look at the bus runs. Click on the Reports section. And what we'll do is we'll actually generate a report that lists all of the bus runs for the students. So we'll just click on bus run, roll call sheet here. And here we have a couple options of selecting which bus runs that we like to view or to generate the report. In this case, let's go ahead and select bus 1 AM. And then we can select the week. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select this week. And here we have the options to either print the weekends or include the weekends in the report. In this case, I just want to see Monday through Friday. And then we have a couple different report types. We could view it in a PDF or an HTML. Let's go ahead and print it in a PDF. Now I'm going to open this window up just a little bigger so we can see it better. But here, this is a typical bus run roll call sheet here. What it'll do is it'll list the company name, the center name, and the name of the bus run, and the week that this report is generated for. So as we see, we actually have a list here of all of the students who are associated with this bus run. And we actually have their schedule. So this is really useful for printing and generating reports to give to the drivers and the teachers, so they both have a hard copy to be able to sign the students in and out. Thank you for joining me today, and have a great day.